actually think that this didn't happen?
So
Because I watched it happen.
So there's a few. Well, I mean, you watched something happen. You watched a production of some sort,
Well, you're
but
saying it very matter of fact.
well, allegedly.
Just a theory. It looked like a penis.
But
Keep going.
here's a few things, okay? Let me just prefix this with saying that people believe the Blue Origin and Jeff Bezos and this launch sending these people into space, which where they went is the edge of our atmosphere, which is only like 62 miles up.
Oh.
And the space station is 255 miles up.
Okay.
So it's like the edge of it's like saying I went
fifth
swimming
of
in
the
the
way.
ocean and putting your feet in the water.
I see.
Like,
know,
didn't
so
even make
they-
it to the buoys.
They did go to space, like I went in the water with my feet, but the few facts that have been put out there that you can actually see is, like you had mentioned, their hair doesn't move. I mean, we just saw what zero gravity
Are you
actually
telling
looks
me
like.
Gail King is also a part of this?
I'm just saying there's a reason all those people were on that.
Or Oprah was like, I ain't doing it.
Yeah, imagine
what
just
you're going for.
like, what's the come up there? She was just Oprah's friend, and now she's
Hey,
on
don't
like,
come for Gail.
and now she's on like Good Morning America. Now she's in space.
She's a queen.
She's a queen with the last name King.
I would love to be a Gail.
How cool is that? But what I'm getting at is, so a few reasons they're suggesting it may be fake is when they landed, when you go up in the airplane, even they pressurize the cockpit and everything because the atmosphere is different. So just like, have you ever gone underwater and your head hurts because you've gone so deep? It's because the deeper you go underwater, the denser it is and the more pressure it's putting on.
Right.
So air is the same way. So the higher you go up, that's why when you go down in the airplane, your ears pop and all that stuff happens to you. So when they landed, you can actually see the door open towards the inside for a second. And then Jeff Bezos comes over like a minute later and has to use a tool to open the door. The reason they're saying that's weird, and because it is weird, is they have to pressurize this thing in order for it to go that high. So you would never be able to open the door from the inside of it. They have to use a special tool that depressurizes the cabin, and then they can open the door.
Okay, I have a
So
little-
how the door could never open into the inside. So they're saying that potentially is proof that this is all put together and it didn't happen the way they say it did.
I have a mini theory to add on to that. Did you see him faceplant?
Yeah. that was
Did he?
awesome. Yeah. It
So,
was really funny.
Right after that happened, he faceplanted. He like ran and then he like fell into a hole.
So it's a big
What?
distraction.
Right. He saw the little door open and he was like, "Oh fuck, I'm a faceplant." That's what they'll talk about. And then they're like, "Katie, okay, we had to fuck up with the door. Can you like kiss the dirt? Do something distracting."